your total income is not taxable. Maybe your total income is below the basic exemption limit, but banks will deduct TDS because of IT rule. Now, bank, in case of interest income, if the bank is paying you interest income of more than 40,000 or more than 50,000 in case of senior citizen, bank will deduct TDS at 10%. So let's say you're having only the interest income of 1 lakh, that's your only income, but bank will deduct TDS at 10%, but your income is only that 1 lakh, which is below basic exemption limit. So you are anyways not liable to pay any tax. So what is the purpose that the bank deducts your TDS and then you get the amount after deducting TDS, and then you will file a claim after 1.5 years at the time of filing income tax return, and then you will claim the refund. So this 1.5 years is unnecessary. My money is going to the government and coming back from the government. So there is no purpose of it, right? So the government has found a solution to it. Now, for the people who are not liable to tax, but their TDS is deducted by banks or any other institutions due to certain rules, what they can do to ensure that their TDS is not deducted? They can fill Form 15G or 15H. 15G is for normal people who are below 60 years of age, and 15H is for senior citizens who are more than 60 years of age. Some banks allow you to file Form 15G and 15H online. For some banks, you may have to do it offline also. Now, 15G and 15H is valid for 1 financial year, so you have to compulsorily file if you want your TDS not to be deducted by the bank. So you need a PAN card and you need to do this process every year. Suppose in case you forgot to do it, so this bank does the deduction every quarter. So in case you forget in 1 quarter, do it in next quarter so that the remaining TDS could be adjusted, or so that the bank does not deduct further TDS. So don't worry, submit it at the earliest for the remaining part of the financial year. Apart from banks, 15G and 15H helps you to save taxes at various places such as TDS on EPF withdrawal, TDS on post office deposits, rent, insurance commission, etc. You can find Form 15G and 15H in the links given.